Hey guys, it's Anna. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are trying out some new stuff from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So if you guys keep up with new releases or anything, you know that they just released a palette with ALYSSA Edwards, who is a drag queen, and she's so awesome, and I'm just super excited. First of all, this PR package is just so cool, and second of all, the colors in the palette are amazing, something so different for ABH, and I'm just so excited to dig into them. So we're gonna go through just like the PR real quick, and then we're gonna get into a look, and I'm so excited to test out these products. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get into the video. So this is the big PR package that they sent out for the ALYSSA Edwards collab. So super cute packaging, has a little eye on it. I love it. And then you open it up like this. And here is, oh my gosh, I'm gonna drop it. Here's the inside. super cute packaging. Just, yeah, love it. So inside, there's a mirror, a fan, and a palette. So ALYSSA Edwards, she like always just like her little slogan thing, she always says beast. So that's what they kind of went with for this. So this pink like crystal mirror, and it says beast on it. It's so cute. The front of the mirror has these little lips. I think it's just the cutest thing ever. So yeah, just a super cute little mirror. I love it. I think it's so cute when they send out just things like this, so love that. And then they also sent out a fan, which is like the most extra thing ever and the most perfect thing ever for this collab. So it says Anastasia down the side, right? And then hi, it's this pink color, and it says beast on it again. So cute. I just hi. Just makes me feel really extra, you know, and I think that's what they're going for. So super cute idea, love it, so good. All right, and then actually getting into the palette, this is what the palette looks like. It's pink, says ALYSSA Edwards. It has a little eye thing on it like the PR package did. And here we go. We're gonna open it. Get ready. Okay. So pretty. So yeah, this is just a super fun palette. I haven't touched any of the colors yet, and I'm so excited because they look so beautiful from what I've seen. So yeah, we're gonna get into this in a second, but there's one more product. So this is not a part of the collection, but they did just release this as well, so they sent it out with the same package. They released an eyeshadow primer, and I am so excited, so excited about this. So this is kind of like a thick concealer like base. It's kind of like, from what I've seen, it's kind of like the P. Louise base that everyone loves. So I'm super excited to try this. I love this type of base, like the concealer like base. So what I'm gonna do now is we're gonna try out some swatches from the palette, and I'm gonna like test the differences with the primer and without, so we can really see how this works and how these shadows are. And then right after that, we'll just go ahead and get into a look. I'm super excited to play around. I have no idea what I'm gonna do yet, but that's okay. So I put the base on half of my arm. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to swatch a couple colors, one on the base and one not on the base, and then we'll see how it kind of compares. First up, I think I'm going to do this cobalt blue, and it's called Dream It. Wow, that's a big difference actually. So this bottom one is with the primer, and this one is without. I did like 2 layers on each, and just like the initial like going on, so different. Already off the bat, love the primer. And the colors are really pretty. Like that is a beautiful blue. Okay, let's try more. I'm so excited now. Let's try this pink fuchsia color, and it's called Texas Made. Still a beautiful color, but having this primer, it just really helps pick up that pigment and grasp onto it, and it makes a huge difference. And I think that's so important for bright shadows, because they're so pretty, but if you just put them on your skin, it doesn't like live up to its full potential, you know? So this primer is really killing it so far. Okay, I just want to test like maybe 2 more. I really want to do the yellow. So this color is called Brick Road. Okay, that's a really nice yellow. Even not on the primer, it's such a pretty like vibrant yellow. But again, primer definitely makes a difference. Okay guys, and then I think I want to try out a shimmer. So I think we just have to go with the purple. So down here, This one is called DDG. Okay, that one has a big difference with the primer. That definitely made a huge difference, helped pick up that shimmer, because shimmers in general just don't really want to stick onto your skin. That's just how they're formulated. So this primer, bomb. Guys, literally, I'm so excited about this primer. Okay, now that we've kind of tested out the shadows, tested out the primer, we're gonna go ahead and get into a look. I still have no idea what I'm gonna do. We're gonna figure it out as we go. Alright, so if you guys want to see me do a look with these products, then go ahead and keep watching. Alright, so I went ahead and did my brows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer and Clear Brow Gel, and now we're going to use the eye primer. I usually would use concealer for this step, but we're going to try this guy out. So I'm just taking it on a concealer brush and we're going to put it all over the whole entire lid. Alright, so I'm going to start off with the pink that is called Texas Made, and I'm just going to begin to place this right on the inner part of the eye. Just placing down and then blending out. I'm going to take that pinkish purplish color called Unicorn Tribe, and we're going to start to blend this right in here as a transition into the purple. Alright, now we are adding that dark purple color called Believe. And we're just going to put that right next to those pink colors. And just continue to blend those into the crease. And I know that I look crazy, but it's one of those things that just looks better as you get to the end. So hold on. Okay, next we are gonna go into that blue called Dream It. This is gonna be kind of our last color for the eye. So we're blending this on the outer portion, and we're gonna kind of do like a cat eye deal over here. So blending it into the purple, and then we're gonna swoop it outwards. Alright, now that this looks kind of crazy and messy, again, like I said, it doesn't get good till the end. So what I'm going to do is take some makeup remover on a Q-tip, and I'm going to begin to just remove some of this. I'm going to cut out my crease, but it's just easier if you don't have a ton of extra shadow. I'm not going to quite do it exactly how I want it, because I want to make sure that I have room to do it exactly how I want it with the actual concealer, because that's just my preference. I think it's a lot easier to be precise with a brush rather than a Q-tip. To cut the crease, I'm going to go back in with the eye primer. Just going to start placing this down and then cutting out my crease. So there's the general shape I'm going for. So I'm just going to continue to go back and clean up the edges. Now you can see that my crease is cut pretty well, and the opacity of this primer is really nice as well. So while that is still kind of tacky, I'm going to set it with my color that I want, and I'm going to do a white. And so this is the white from the palette, and it is called Headliner. And I'm just going to pack that on to the entire part that I cut out. Okay, they did a super nice job with that white shadow. It's so pretty. So white. This looks crazy over here, but this is going to be fixed up in a little bit. So there is what we're working with. Alrighty, next what we are going to do is begin to create like this smoky winged liner. I'm going back into that dark purple called Believe, and I'm just going to start to sketch out that shape. And then I'm going in with the blue color called Dream It, and we're gonna start to smear that inwards. Taking this color up higher onto the lid. Alright, so I now have like the blue and the purple kind of smoked up. So now I'm taking that orangey tan color called the Supreme, and I'm going to start to blend this in here in the middle of the liner. And then we're taking Brick Road, which is that yellow color, and we're going to start to smoke this all on the top of that liner. Okay, now that I've kind of smoked out that yellow on there, we're going to move on to the lower lash line. So we're going to kind of do the same as we did up here. So taking that pink Texas mode on the inner part. And then going into the purple. We're going to kind of smoke some blue and bring it into the liner. Okay, so I'm taking a really small brush and just kind of blending that blue into the liner to make it just kind of all go like, you know? And look how much that just brings it all together. I'm taking this ColourPop liner in the color Punch. It's just a yellow, and I'm going to do my waterline. Alrighty guys, so I went ahead, added some lashes. I used a lip color Leche. Don't know how to say it. This is from the ABH summer launch. I did a pink inner corner and brow bone highlight. I just thought that would be pretty fitting. Yeah, I am really excited about this palette. The colors in this are crazy. Love them. Seriously, this primer, you need it. So freaking good. I'm obsessed. I will probably be using this from now on. So good. I need to set my face. And since we have it, might as well be a little extra. Okay, that actually feels so good though. Alrighty guys, that is the final look. I'm really happy with how this turned out. I really think it's super cool. These colors, guys, are so good. I'm so excited that they came out with a palette like this. It's so amazing. But yeah, palette, primer, guys, I think you need to go get this if you want it. So good. So that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you like this video, you'll probably like my others, so make sure you go subscribe down below. Also, I will be uploading some pictures of this look on my Instagram. I actually post on there every single day, so you should definitely go check it out. Give me a follow if you want. Super fun stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked this look. Hope it helped you out making some decisions. So that is it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.